Welcome back to Funko Friday.
Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. City soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this
Hello
summer
there.
alone. I'm coming home.
This is a very special Funko Friday. This is my first pop in a box haul. About a year ago, I was gonna join the whole monthly pop in a box thing, and then I kind of backed down. I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do it. But I decided to go ahead and do it just out of curiosity to see what they would send me. So I signed up for 2 pops a month, which I think is $18.99. And because I had signed up, I guess when I signed up, and this may still be going on, they let me pick a free pop from a list of like 10. And unfortunately, out of the 10, there was only one that I would really want, and that was Twinkie, and I already had Twinkie. And then there was this one that I was like, yeah, okay, it's not one I would go out, you know, and make a special trip to go get, but I'll take this one, because the rest were all like gamer pops, like I don't know, from games and things that I don't understand, didn't know who they were, nothing I would like. So at least they had the one. So I'm going to show you that first, since it was a freebie. And as you can see, it actually came separately. It came like a week or so before the other one. So it does glow in the dark though. Ooh, we're gonna have to check that out. I forgot that it glowed in the dark. This is gonna go great with my little Niffler. I hope you saw last week's Funko Friday and you saw that huge Niffler that I had got on clearance. And by the way, if you're new to the channel, I don't just do Funko Pops. I do a lot of Disney, Universal, that type of theme park vlogs also. And whenever you're watching the vlogs, even like Disney merchandise, like if I'm showing you what's new in the parks, make sure to stay past where I say see you in the parks. Because I always show stuff either that I haven't shown in the vlog, or I will show additional pictures that will show more detail of things, or I'll put things in slow motion so you get a better perspective of things. So stay tuned for that whole 20 seconds of intro music, 20 seconds or more, because there's always new stuff there. Now, let's see what my 2 that they sent me. So I don't know yet. I did cut the box so I could open it easily. Now, what happens if you're not familiar with Pop in the Box is it takes a while, the process. But you go through and you click all the pops that you do want or you don't want, or you add them to your collection. So it actually took me quite a while to go through and click each one. No, I don't want. Yes, I do want. Already in my collection. That took a while. They're supposed to send you pops from the yes, I want this, the thumbs up collection. So let's see if they have done that. Oh, are we excited? I'm excited. Okay. Oh, I hope they're good ones. Okay, so the first one I'm super happy about, because I'm going to be doing a special vlog on my family channel, Life's a Whirlwind, and this pop is actually going to come in handy. It is Forrest Gump. So this is the whole ping pong Forrest. Now I know that Target, you could get this pop and like an actual ping pong. They had like a combo thing. It was always too much. I never bought it, but I'm super glad to have it now. Now all I need is the box of chocolates. You know, me and Jenny, we's like peas and carrots. Yeah, I like imitating Forrest Gump. I like talking like that. It embarrasses the kids so bad. Like, there is a vlog, or 2, actually, there's more than 1, where we're taking a trip and we go through like the Georgia Welcome Center. And there's a bench with Forrest sitting on it. And I like got back in the car and I just talked like Forrest Gump, and the kids were just like, oh my gosh, Mom. Like, that's what parents are supposed to do. Like, we're supposed to embarrass the kids. So I am super happy now I can check this one off my list. And the next one is the Phantom Shadow. So this is 50 years celebration for Scooby-Doo. Oh my gosh, this is great. Oh, just in time for Halloween too. So I think I'll actually just take him out of the box to show you guys, because I'll probably have him out of the box anyway for Halloween decorations. At the end of the vlog, I will show you what else, give you a close-up of what other ones are in this series. I have one, maybe two other ones. I'm trying to think. There's one that's, I really can't remember if I ended up getting him or not. I know I wanted him. Oh yeah, he is definitely staying out for Halloween. Oh yes, look at that chain. Okay, if you grew up watching Scooby-Doo and the Flintstones and the Jetsons, comment below on which of those were your favorite. Also, I kept strep throat as a kid, and whenever I stayed home from school sick, I watched I Love Lucy and Dick Van Dyke. I think they came on at 1 and 1:30 or 1:30 and 2. Oh, Brady Bunch came on at 4 maybe. Yeah, oh yeah. I totally glued to the TV when I was sick. Okay, so if you are interested in Pop in the Box, I'm going to put down a code, a referral code down at, in the description. Just copy that, copy and paste that, and I'll get some like referral credits for that. Oh, I'm super pumped. So I don't know how long I'm going to be doing this. Another reason I did this was that there was quite a lot of new pops that were coming out, and if you join Pop in the Box and you're like a subscriber, then you actually get 10% off of any other ones that you order, like pops that you pre-order. All right, so that is it for today. My very first Pop in the Box subscription. So I'm sure I'll go for a few more months, probably to the end of the year, and then we'll see how it goes. Hope you subscribe and join the Mouse Diva family, and I will see you at the parks.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change.